Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today is the day I finally found my problem. So I've been having this thing going on where my car alarm will go off randomly. Alright, and it's been bugging me to death. I noticed that up here by my window, it would start to focus in real quick. Alright, sorry, I'm trying to figure out this camera thing. Anyway, it would start to just kind of do one of these things. And inside, when you would shut the door, it would say right there that my driver door was ajar. So I was like, what in the world could this thing be? Well, turns out it's this little part down here called the door jamb sensor. You can pick them up for about 40 bucks is what I got my new one for. This is my old one here. But basically, it goes, you'll peel this back, and right in there, I don't know if y'all can see, but right about right, oh, it's kind of hard to get in there for y'all, but right where those wires are coming out of, right there, is where the sensor is. So, if you replace that, your car alarm will not go off at 3 a.m. and start bugging the neighbors every 5 seconds. So if you find this helpful, let me know. Just trying to figure out all these kind of crazy things, let y'all know what's up. So try to help us out. I haven't seen this one on YouTube yet, so hopefully it works for y'all. Y'all let me know. Alright, y'all have a good one.